Are you ready to secure your world with confidence using the top 7 best padlocks? In this video, we unveil padlocks that will help you unlock peace of mind and protect what matters most. Whether you need padlocks for your home, business, or travel, our comprehensive review and comparison will guide you to choose the best padlocks for your security needs. Say goodbye to worries and hello to unwavering security. Number 7. ORI 4-digit combination lock. The unique feature of this lock is its 4-digit combination, offering an impressive 10,000 possible combinations. This makes it significantly more difficult to crack than standard 3-digit locks, ensuring top-tier security. The lock itself is strong and built to withstand the test of time. It's designed to resist any attempt at removal by human force, providing you with peace of mind. Setting up this combination lock is a breeze, ensuring that your security is quickly established. However, it's essential to be aware that this lock is relatively heavy due to its sturdy construction. While the weight adds to its durability, it might not be the best choice for lightweight applications. If you're searching for a secure, easy-to-use combination lock for school, employee, gym, sports locker, case, toolbox, hasp cabinet, or storage use, the ORI 4-digit combination lock is a dependable choice. Number 6. Abu's Discus Padlock. The main selling point of this padlock is its 360-degree all-round protection, which effectively combats the most common ways of forcing it open. This is the ultimate security solution for your valuable items. One of the key benefits is the anti-cut plate, offering an extra layer of security. Your possessions are safeguarded against even the most determined intruders. This padlock is particularly great for securing storage units, providing rugged and reliable protection. However, it's important to note that the added security features can make it difficult to open, especially if you're in a hurry. This is a minor trade-off for the exceptional security it provides. If you're in search of a padlock that offers top-notch security for your storage units or valuable items, the Abu's Discus Padlock is the ideal choice. Number 5. Master Lock Word Combination Lock. The main selling point of this lock is its user-friendly, set-your-own-word combination design. This feature allows you to choose your own 4-letter word combination, adding a personal touch to your security. One distinctive benefit is the availability of fun colors, making it not just a security tool but a style statement for your locker. Another unique feature is the use of letters instead of numbers for the combination, making it easier to remember your code. However, some users might find it frustrating to use due to the need to remember and enter a word combination. If you're searching for a personalized and fun way to secure your locker, the Master Lock Word Combination Lock is an excellent choice. Number 4. Master Lock Bluetooth Padlock. The main selling point of this padlock is its convenience and versatility. It's best suited for residential gates, sheds, garages, outdoor storage lockers, and tool chests, making it a versatile security solution. One key feature is the ability to use your smartphone to unlock the Bluetooth padlock. Alternatively, you can enter a directional code on the lock's keypad for easy backup entry when your smartphone isn't available. This dual entry method ensures you're never locked out. The padlock is not only easy to use but also offers a high level of security, safeguarding your valuables with ease. However, it's worth noting that while it's built to be weather-resistant, it may not be the ideal choice for extended outdoor use in extreme conditions. Number 3. Kwikset Smart Key Padlock. The standout feature of this padlock is the convenience it offers by allowing you to use the same Kwikset key to unlock your home and the padlock. This dual functionality simplifies your security setup. One of the key benefits is the dual ball bearing locking system, which provides maximum protection from pry and hammer attacks. Your possessions are kept safe and secure with this level of defense. Moreover, this padlock is built to be tough and sturdy, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of everyday use. You can rely on it for long-term security. The ability to easily rekey the padlock is another notable advantage. This feature allows you to adapt your security quickly and conveniently, without the need for a locksmith. However, it's worth mentioning that the padlock is relatively large and hefty. While this contributes to its durability, it might be less suitable for more compact or lightweight applications. If you're seeking a versatile, reliable, and convenient padlock, the Kwikset Smart Key Padlock is an excellent choice. Number 2. Desired tools for digit combination padlock. The main selling point of this padlock is its 4-digit combination mechanism, which offers a high level of security without the need for a physical key. It's ideal for gym lockers, school lockers, outdoor gates, sheds, fences, and storage units. One key feature is its lightweight and compact design, making it easy to carry and install on a wide range of applications. This padlock is a versatile and practical security solution. Reliability is paramount, and this padlock delivers. You can trust it to keep your belongings safe, whether you're at the gym, school, or securing your outdoor gear. However, it's important to note a minor drawback. It might not be the best choice for extended outdoor use. While it's weatherproof to some extent, extreme conditions may impact its longevity. If you're in search of a reliable, keyless, and easy-to-use combination padlock for various settings, the desired tools for digit combination padlock is a solid choice. Don't compromise on your security. Number 1. Abu's Titanium Aluminum Alloy Padlock. The standout feature of this padlock is its remarkable strength-to-weight ratio. Crafted from titanium aluminum alloy, it offers an unparalleled level of torsion resistance while remaining incredibly lightweight. This means you can trust it to protect your valuables without adding unnecessary bulk. One key feature is the precision 6-pin cylinder, ensuring that your lock remains virtually impenetrable. This level of security is invaluable when you need to safeguard your important possessions. Another notable benefit is its compact design, featuring a 2-inch padlock body width. This padlock is easy to carry and fits snugly on various applications, from securing your luggage to locking up your toolbox. What sets this padlock apart is its resistance to picking. Its complex mechanism makes it incredibly difficult for unauthorized individuals to tamper with. You can have peace of mind knowing your belongings are secure. While this padlock offers numerous advantages, it's essential to address a minor drawback. Some users might find it's not fully weatherproof. To ensure its longevity, it's advisable to protect it from exposure to extreme weather conditions.